Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is 13 days of Halloween inspiration. I am taking you through some of the mini albums I've made over the years, just to see if maybe you have this paper and you are not sure how to use it. So I don't even know what this paper pad is. I don't have the name of it anymore. I've had this mini album in my stash, and it's now in the shop, and I just wanted to show it to you again. Maybe you'll be inspired to use up some of your paper. So the cover, this is popped up where it says Halloween, and then I had this spider in my stash, a little glittery spider, and he looked pretty cute on there, and he corresponds with that spider web. This orange background I had made with some distress inks, but it was the perfect orange to go with the socks. So there's the cover, and this is a 5x7 mini album, so this is perfect for those 4x6 portrait photos that you might have of Halloween, or maybe smaller 4x4 Instax photos. So inside, and you know what, now that I'm looking at this, I don't even know that this paper came from this collection. Maybe it did. I don't know. I don't remember. So this little flap is held down with a magnet. This is part of that paper that I made. I was trying to replicate this background because I didn't have any orange paper that was plain, and it looks pretty close. I sort of like it. So we've got this Halloween jack-o'-lantern paper there, and I think this whole grouping looks fabulous. I know these bats came from a roll of sort of like washing tape from the Target dollar spot many years ago. So if you were to have a 4x6 photo, that fits on there fabulously. Doesn't that make a nice composition? If you wanted to, you could put that photo up here as well. You would want to trim it down a little, and same if you wanted to use this. A 4x6 photo, I'm sorry, 4x4 photo would fit nicely right there. Again, room for your 4x6 photo here. Now these pockets are smaller than 4x6. They're 6 1/8 by 3 3/4. So you still might be able to use some 4x6 photos in here. It just depends on the photo and if you have any details that you can just crop out. So there is a tab in there holding everything inside. Love this paper with the Beetlejuice, poison, venom, flies in a jar. I mean, I think they look adorable. And this little swing tab holds this paper closed, this page closed, sorry. I fussy cut some of these elements from here and put them on there. And again, I'm not sure if this came with the collection, but it looks really nice there. And then the swing tab opens, and inside is room to put more photos and journaling. And again, your photos would look fabulous on here, wouldn't they? So let's take you to the next page, and don't forget there is the hidden photo mat here. So inside is, our next page is this black and purple grouping. This was cut out of the paper, and it looks nice with the black, white, and purple. And the Boo Crew opens up that way. Great spot for journaling or putting your photo. Or put your photo right there. Hidden photo mat. More hidden photo mat. This, I think, came from the sticker sheet that this was on. I put it on some black cardstock and fussy cut around it. And this I actually put on some eyelets just to add some dimension to that page. This comes from there, and this orange page I also used some distress ink on it, or alcohol ink maybe. It's been a while since I've done it, but anyhow. And then that grouping of papers looks fabulous together. Perfect spot to put a nice 4x6 photo front and center. And this stays closed with a magnet. Here's your hidden pocket page. And these guys and gals, now that I'm thinking, was this Humphrey and Hubert or something like that? Somebody will correct me, I know, and tell me what this paper collection was called. And that's a double matted photo mat. So you can put cut down 4x6 photo or just stick your photos right in the pocket. And the back of it is like that. And I know this came from somewhere else, but it sort of matches with the purple. And then this opens like that. And here's the back page with some purple and orange journaling card or photo mat. Room to put a photo or journal there. This came from the sticker sheet. That was cut from probably a border strip, if I remember correctly. And that was one of the cut aparts. And again, this came from a totally different collection. This was a pack of journaling cards that I had in my stash and I used when I was making this mini album. There were stickers from the sticker sheet. There is the spine, and there we are back to the front. So it's a small mini album. It's great for those portrait photos or 4x4, 3x4, 3x3 photos. Cute little mini album. You could put it in a trick-or-treater's bag if it was a neighbor or friend and have them give it to their mom for Halloween. Or keep it themselves and put photos of themselves. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you're enjoying the 13 days of Halloween inspiration. Stay tuned and we will see you again tomorrow with some more Halloween inspiration. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.